Alright guys, this is a practice video to learn a song using your 4 basic chords, G, C, E minor, D. Now this song is a little low for me in those chords, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a capo. That's what this is. It's spelled C-A-P-O for those who've never seen one of these. And I'm going to use it to attach to my guitar just above my 2nd fret. And that's going to make this song singable for me. In our next lesson, we're going to talk more about capos and how to use them with those chords so we can sing and play in whatever key we want. So this song is Come Thou Fount. It's going to use the shapes for G, D, E minor, C. I'll be sure to throw the chords up for you so you can follow along. Here we go.
Come thou fount of every blessing, tune my heart to sing thy grace. Streams of mercy never ceasing, call for songs of loudest praise. Teach me some melodious sounding, sung by flaming tongues above. Praise the mountain fixed upon it, mount of thy redeeming love. Here I raise my Ebenezer, hither by thy help I've come, and I hope by thy good pleasure safely to arrive at home. Jesus sought me when a stranger, wandering from the fold of God. He to rescue me from danger, interpose his precious blood. Oh, to grace, how great a debtor daily I'm constrained to be. Let thy goodness, like a fetter, bind my wandering heart to thee. Prone to wander, Lord, I feel it, prone to leave the God I love. Here's my heart, Lord, take and seal it for thy courts above.
Great job, guys. Feel free to keep practicing with this video every day until you get really comfortable with those chord changes. If you enjoyed this practice video, be sure to hit subscribe and catch me at the next lesson. We're going to dive more into capos. I'll see you there.